You got the keys. You are in your home. Congratulations. Now, instead of calling the landlord, you are calling the handyman. Hi, I'm Gustavo Arias. Today we are talking about something almost nobody mentioned, the budget you need to maintain your investment, your family home. During the purchase, the inspection is key. A professional inspector will detect critical repairs and future maintenance. Your agent can negotiate this with the seller, cover a large part of that expense. With many of my clients in Southern California, we managed to have the seller cover most of those expenses. Every property is different, and maintenance needs change by area. This is just an example based on my client's experience in Southern California, meant to share common sense ideas. If you have different experience, leave it in comments. The experts recommend savings between 2 and 5% of the home value for annual maintenance. For a $700,000 home in Los Angeles, that would be between $14,000 and $35,000 per year. Sounds steep, right? But in the experience of my clients, the actual expense were lower, much lower. HVAC service $500, replacement of the water heater with a tankless energy efficient model $4,500, annual landscaping $1,440, savings for future roof replacement $3,500, unclogging pipes $360, emergency repair funds $1,500. Adding it all up, the first year came about to $11,800. In the following year, without the tankless heater purchase, the budget drops to $7,500. The total for the 3 years was about $26,800. Big difference compared to the $105,000 experts recommend. Rough number. And this is the kicker. These expenses can be offset by mortgage interest deductions and energy improvement credits. If you stagger maintenance work, the impact on your wallet is minimal and you may even have savings. Plus, with an estimated 4% value increase every year, your equity could grow to $87,000 in the 3 years. Being a responsible homeowner means taking care of your investment and protecting your wealth and your family. If you find this helpful, give me a click and like, leave your thoughts in your comments, subscribe, and share. See you next time.